Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Bob World account or your Bank of Baroda World account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Bob World account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in bobworld.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Bob World login like this and hit enter, and you can see the Bank of Baroda over here. Click there. This is the Bank of Baroda's homepage, but from over here we are on the newer site, newer interface of the Bob World. Now to go log into your Bob World, you can see the Bank of Baroda written over here on the top left corner of your screen. Click on Bank of Baroda and we'll be logged into this page. So you can see both of these pages are same from the Google and also the site. Let's close one of these. Now to log into your Bank of Baroda personal banking account, you can see the login option available over here. Click over there and you will find all these login portals for customers as well as employees, as for also the ex-employees also. Now to log into your Bob World account as a customer, you can see all these portals. For me, it will the credit cards of the Bob cards, but to log into your every one of these portals, the login process will be same. You will be required to enter some kind of your username and your password provided by the Bob World itself. And you can see while logging into my Bob World credit card account, I'll be required to enter my username, and after that I'll be required to enter my captcha over here. After entering my username and captcha, I will need to tap on proceed, and on the next step the website will ask me to enter my password, and after that I'll be logged into the Bob World. And there guys, this is how you log into your Bank of Baroda account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.